Hi guys, just been asked to have a look at this ideal exclusive. Right, I've got the demand done and it's not firing up. We're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this, and with on the job video, and hopefully the good lady will give me a video review at the end of it. So basically what's happening, right, you got the burner ignites and it doesn't stay on, so they don't have enough hot water or heating. So what's happening, right, the condenser P trap fills up and the water flows back into the combustion chamber, hence switching the burner off. It's a big one, you know. I wonder if it's in there.
Yep.
It's done somewhere in there.
Somewhere there.
I can. Thank you.
Right.
I'm scared of insects.
Are you?
No, not really. Right, okay. There's a problem area. Right. Don't worry, your bullet will be sorted in there. Just switch it off. Can I just borrow this tub here? Sorry, keep on disturbing you. No, thank you. Okay, love, your boiler's fine now. Shouldn't have any more problems in it.
What happened?
Your condenser was clogged up.
I'm not even pretending to know what that means. Good stuff.
It's building back up inside the boiler. So
Alright.
cleaned it off there.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Should be fine after this.
Just the noise was very scary. It sounds like the whole thing was going to blow.
Yeah, you must have been making that.
That's grand, no problem.
Quick fire. See, it's not quite in there.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it should be fine now, yeah. Right guys, just went to the boiler, condenser was gone in there, so we can find Birmingham boiler fix. What an idiot, I know.